You've reached night 4 of my Walmart budget dinner series. This week I went to Walmart and got a $58 grocery haul covering 5 dinners that I can feed my family this week. I share all of those recipes with you guys on my page, and you can also find my budget meal plans linked on my page and follow along super easy. Let me show you what you're gonna need for tonight's dinner. Jasmine minute rice, olive oil, soy sauce, 12 eggs, yellow onion, celery, and carrots. So this is my egg fried rice. As you can see, we are missing the chicken. This is a budget series. If you'd like to cook up some chicken and throw that in there for extra protein, go for it. I'm gonna use an entire carton of eggs, so this is definitely protein heavy. While that rice is cooking, I'm dicing up half of that yellow onion, and I'm gonna save the other half for our final recipe tomorrow. I'm peeling and dicing 2 of these carrots from the bag we grabbed this week. I have covered this recipe before in my budget dinners, and you will often see me repeat dinners, especially good ones like this that are just so easy to work into the meal plan. So affordable, and it's perfectly balanced, so you really can't beat this one. Finally, dice up 3 celery sticks. All of my veggies chopped into a bowl, and I'm gonna go saute these just in a little bit of olive oil. I did add garlic to the shopping list this week, so I thought, why wouldn't you add garlic flavor if you have the chance? So mince up 2 cloves and chuck that in once those veggies are almost completely softened. Okay, this part just gets so easy. Just crack in all 12 eggs to your bowl. Make sure it's microwave safe. It is a very egg heavy ratio, and a lot of people last time I made it commented on that, and I'm very aware this is very egg heavy in comparison to the rice, where you usually just notice a little bit of eggs in the rice. This is like primarily, it's a lot of egg, but it's a budget meal and it works really well. Add a couple dashes of soy sauce, a drizzle of olive oil, do a pinch of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. I'm gonna beat this really well. I'm gonna add them to the microwave. I'll let them go for like a minute and a half at a time and just really kind of stir it up in between each until it's all cooked. So yummy. I did add in that garlic and some salt and pepper, and these are just really nicely softened. My rice ready to go. Ouch. Eggs are cooked through. Start making all of these become friends. Go ahead and add in some soy sauce just until you like the way it tastes. A little extra pinch of salt and pepper. This is such a balanced and affordable meal. I hope you give it a try and enjoy it, and I'll see you tomorrow to wrap up this week with night 5's dinner.